We are back with another delicious recipe. Tonight we made curry chicken, Jamaican-style curry chicken, and rice, served with some potato salad and green beans on the side. This is so quick and easy to make. I promise you, it's a go-to for me anytime I don't know what to make for dinner. If you're new to my channel, this is Eat with Dunks, where we make simple, creative meals that you can make for yourself or your family. So please consider subscribing, like this video, send it to a friend, and let's get into it. So I'm gonna start by cutting up the veggies that will go in the curry chicken. And we want some small chunks of onion and small chunks of bell peppers. Then we're gonna mince some garlic, yeah, real fine like this. I'm adding a green Scotch bonnet pepper for a kick. You may or may not add this based on your pepper limits, but I grew up on spicy food, so I like my food hot. And we're gonna chop up some scallion or green onion. And then we're on to our chicken. I've already washed and cleaned my chicken using white vinegar, lime, and water. Here I'm using chicken thighs today, and I'm cutting them into small slices. You can use chicken breast or whatever you have, but I like the tenderness of chicken thighs. Now that our chicken is cut into small slices, let's season with 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of ground allspice, a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and this is not a must, but I'm adding a tablespoon of ground ginger powder and turmeric powder. You can add slices of ginger, or you can actually grate the ginger to your seasoning if you have that, but I don't have actual ginger right now, so I'm using the ginger powder. Then I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of black pepper and toss our veggies in our bowl with the chicken. Add some olive oil and just mix in your seasonings thoroughly. I'm using a glove because I don't want to get the curry powder all in my finger. Just keep mixing until your chicken is all covered. Should look something like this. Before cooking anything, we're gonna cut up 1 or 2 potatoes, and this will go in the pot with the chicken later on. Of course, we've got to burn our curry, so we're gonna add some curry powder to hot oil and give it a little stir. Now let's place the chicken in the pot to get it that really nice color that we want. But we're gonna hold the veggies for right now, and we'll add those in later. Just mix around the chicken, turning them on each side as you go here. You see this color it's getting? Money. Alright, we're gonna leave the chicken to cook down here for about 10 minutes. And we're back to add our veggies. Here you have the peppers and the onion and your potatoes. I also added about a cup of water for some extra gravy. As a Jamaican, we love curry gravy. We basically eat it with every and anything, but it's a delight to have some curry gravy on your fried chicken. Anybody going to a restaurant to order some fried chicken will tell you. Anyways, we're gonna also season our pot with a tablespoon of garlic salt or salt, whichever you have, black pepper, and ground allspice. We're gonna give that a little stir, and then we're gonna leave it to cook here for the next 15 minutes. Chicken is done here, so I'm just adding a little butter, and we're gonna leave that to dissolve in the gravy, and that gives that gravy that sweet, nice taste that we love. I know you're seeing this and thinking, Lord, that looks good. But let's make a plate though. If you think this looks good, hit that like button and let me know. And if you want to see more, you know what to do. Subscribe, and I'll keep them coming for you to try in your kitchen. Gotta throw that potato salad in there and some green beans. Anytime you cook this, the entire family will love this one. Take my word for it. It was a pleasure creating this meal for you, and I hope you try it yourself. If you do, please hop in my comment section, let me know how yours turned out and what you actually think about this curry chicken. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and share this with a friend. And I'll see you next week in a new video where you'll be eating with Dunks.